Hi friends, today I want to share a fantastic technique that allows you to breathe new life into your old paintings using turpentine. Turpentine is a solvent that can be a game changer in the world of art. Imagine having a canvas filled with memories, but it doesn't quite resonate with you anymore. That's where turpentine steps in. This powerful solvent has the ability to break down dried old paint, making it possible to wipe away layers of the past. The process is simple yet transformative. Apply turpentine to your old painting and watch as it dissolves the pigments, revealing the blank canvas beneath. It's like giving your artwork a fresh start. From there, you can rework, repaint, or completely reimagine your creation. So next time you feel that urge to redefine your artistic expression, don't hesitate to pick up the turpentine and let your imagination flow. Remember, art is a dynamic, ever-changing process. Embrace the power of turpentine and watch your old paintings transform into something entirely new. Happy creating. Feel free to adjust it according to your style and preferences.